welcome back to our SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to start with our sketcher, in which we will start with our lines, simple lines, mirror and angle commands. So let's start without wasting our time. Here new part and okay. In this figure we will use our three commands: line, mirror and dimensioning. So that is smart dimensioning in SketchUp part only. So I am taking this front view. I will sketch over it, and here I am. When I will click on sketcher, it will come automatically come into the sketch box and show all the commands here in the sketcher. So here today we are going to use our line and mirror command with smart dimensioning. So let's start. Here is a line, here, then here, here, like this, and escape. Let us give dimension to it. 40, give 70, 70. I want to give angle to this line. So at present I am going to give dimension to this line. Let it be 20. Okay. So selecting this line, just this line, it will give the angle. I'm giving it 60 degree up to here. Okay. This is how we do it. And one more thing, it is blue because this point is not fixed, it is moving. That's why everything is moving. So when I will fix this point, giving dimension to it, let it be 20, then it is fixed. I'm changing it to 100. Now it is all black, that is it's fixed. This point, okay, this is how a figure is made with simple lines and dimensions. Now mirror, select all the lines you want to mirror, and then center line. Center line would be this axis. Sure. We need to make a central axis here, like this, and fixing it over this. Now you can choose the mirror command. Mirror, and select all these lines together, and here central axis, this one, and okay. This is how it is made. This is by mirror command. And other thing which is without mirror is just I'm selecting it and deleting it. And the next one would be above without mirror. Taking this like this. This, and then we will give dimensions to it. This would be 40 all over. Then this is 20. This one is also 20. From the center it would be 20. This one we can give 50 or or whatever it was at the earlier 90. 90. You have to give all the dimensions while also give dimensions to this one. So this line and this line. It's 120. Distance between these two, let it be 100, and distance between these two would be 50. Now you can see it is all blue. This one is still blue. We need to give dimension to this. I guess it would make it black. Yeah. After giving all the dimensions, it is turned black. That is, it is fully defined. So now just placing dimensions accordingly. But this takes a lot of time and not that accurate. That's why we use mirror command by making just one part. And mirror command is much more accurate. You have seen in the previous figure which I made. So hope you have understand how to use our mirror, dimensioning and line command in SolidWorks. So thank you very much. We will meet in another video. So when you finish your sketching, just exit from the sketcher and you will be out in the feature parts. And here we have all 3D commands which we will do in some other video. Today we are just practicing for the Sketcher and 2D commands. We will meet in another video with some more interesting drawings and other features to cover the SolidWorks.